Baby, come on, we're going to Dollar Tree. Went to Dollar Tree. I've been collecting things that I find that I want to try, and let's see how glam we can get. If I don't have an item, I'll use my most affordable item that I already own. Already in makeup application, we do need to start with skincare, so I did get the watermelon.
When I met you in the summer.
So I'll put the things I liked over here and the things I don't like over here. The brow pencil was too waxy. But it's left. So no. So the brow powder worked. It's just a good brow powder. If you're in a pinch, we'll put it on the good side. For complexion, I have makeup from the brand Shop Miss A. So I'm going to use these to conceal my brows. I found these cool brushes. Concealer brush. I always clean them first. I have super sensitive skin and I don't want my skin to break out. Eyeshadow, I was thinking like neutral with some blue. This is so nice. I wouldn't call it a glitter. They call it a glitter shadow. It's definitely more metallic shadow. LA Color Nude palette, blending in some. Ioni pencil liner in black to kind of smudge out the edges and kind of save this eyeshadow look. So this is a no, this is a yes. We're gonna use the Ionifying Trans, kind of fix this eyeshadow up a little bit. It got a little blotchy. It saved it. We're gonna use this again. Ioni Filler Lip Plumper Gloss I found, but I already have one open and it's actually one of my favorite lip plumpers. And I'm gonna keep the other one as a backup. Oh, and I did put a little bit more blue eyeshadow. I messed up the blue with all that gray. Like it made it muddy. So I just added like another layer. I'm gonna find a primer. I don't have a $1 primer. I do have a $1.55 primer. This is a Cosmic Girl Skin Gripping Primer from Shop Miss A. Now that I'm back, the foundation actually did end up oxidizing a little bit. So we're just gonna press it in, push in all that product and absorb or pick up anything that didn't stick on the face.
Johnny, la gente está muy loca.
The Sassy and Chic brush, like a blush brush. That's really pretty. Blender, and we're gonna look getting nice and smooth.
I'm sexy and I know it.
To try the Be Pure. I really like the Be Pure bronzer, like save the day. What do you guys think? We're gonna go back into that translucent powder. I had one open, but I can't find it, so we're just gonna open it. Beautiful. It's got the perfect amount of warmth and like it's not too yellow. And blush powder looks like this. Beautiful pigmented blush. Get it in with the translucent powder. I love that blush. That bronzer is always going to be a yes. This, yes. Finishing glow spray. To highlight, use the Airspun highlighter. I love when I find this at the dollar store. Name brands. Highlight the Cosmic Cowgirl eyeliner. in black. Oh, it looks like that. I don't have a mascara, so I'm just going to use whatever mascara. The Fat Chubby Stick in white is called French White, but I already have one because it's actually like one of my favorite products. One of the creamiest, most pigmented white eyeliners. Let's compare it to Urban Decay. Dollartree, this one is Urban Decay. Look, the Dollar Tree one is more pigmented. Grab it and I'm going to put it. But I wanted to do like a metallic brown lip liner, like very Y2K vibes. Brown eyebrow pencil, the color Fire. Wet n Wild classic, like 99-cent bullet lipsticks in the color Breeze. Color looks like, and then it's like this. It's like a mauve-y lip. Glue, and then we have these glitters. Be very careful, get them in your eyes. Chunky glitters. I use these lashes. I like them because they're spiky and they're curly and they're in the wispy dramatic style. I had these little duo packs of the black lash glue. Wiggle. I'll be right back.